Okay, so we're just upgrading the truck because we seem to be doing a lot more commercial. So we need a little bit more horsepower and a little bit more reliability. So we got something going there. I think we're going to put a new hose reel there. Let's have a look and see. Oh, we got a parcel last night. Let's have a look. Look, we got a new Stingray. Got a new Manta Ray. He's going on there. Flow Mix Hector's hooked us up with a new pump. So it's just arrived last night. So we've just got a base frame made up out of aluminium. So we can, we want to elevate the pump to make sure we get all the exhaust fumes away from the tailgate and stuff, so we don't burn any of our signage. So I haven't been in here. I know he's put a lot of bits and pieces in here to help me out. Unboxing of a pump. I don't know what's in here, but we got foam. Oh, look at that bad boy. Oh, that's a bypass hose. A bit more foam. Can't use that for washing. Stuck it on there. It looks like a feed hose. Instruction manual.
Yeah.
With that, more foam. More foam. Three-way block. That's I'll show you what we're going to do with that once we get it done. But this is the Udor Zena pump. This is the 72 liters per minute or 70 liters per minute pump. So this is the biggest one, which is good. We got all the mounting brackets for the holes. He screwed it to the base frame, so we're going to have to unscrew it before we get it out of the box. But let's see if we can get some light on it. Oh yeah, look at that sucker.
Way too excited.
Tim the Toolman.
You're a tool.
I'm a tool. So exhaust is great because it's coming off the left hand side, so it'll just shoot out way past the truck. I was afraid that it was going to clip the side of the tray and burn all my signage, so but we just got that base frame. It's going to get a lot more airflow to cool down the motor as well. So there's not much more we can do until we get it unbolted off this skid. All the bolts and stuff there, all the hardware is there. So we'll just get a shifter and we'll get that sucker out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's a small one. Maybe about like a 8 mil.
You're supposed to make it look effortless.
Oh, he's close with his bolt holes. I have to make a slot under the auto pump. Come here, precious. Don't stop it.
You don't even talk to me like that.
You're probably worth more than $5 grand.
Oh, you think?
You're worth more than $5 grand.
I would hope so.
That thing won't talk to me when I break it.
You broke me years ago. Now he cleans up.
Washes. All the hardware. Alright. So we need a bit ready. I can't even get good full man because I don't even know what these are called. Socket set, there you go. Get yourself a socket set. Need a good socket set. I need a little ring spinner. Alright. I'll have to look at the video. I have no idea what these are for. I know that's the bypass down the bottom, and that's probably the inlet. That's about all I know about these things. It's my first ever gas-powered system.
Petrol.
Oh, it's sorry, we're Australian people. It's petrol powered. There's a thing here. It says maximum 10% ethanol.
Petrol.
No, it's empty. Sorry.
Yeah. I'm glad considering how close you got to it.
All right. Now these are pretty light. All right. They are pretty light. Like I'm a weak person.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Just. Get him up there. Right.
Oh, I missed that. Do you want to go again?
Nope. I'll just film it like it was already there. So the fun bit is lift up the skirt, put that whatever piece in there, make it look prettier, and then we'll try and find some hole. Find a hole. Gentle as you stick it in there.
Pretty sure you're supposed to keep your YouTubes to PG.
Oh, it's PG. Oh. Alright, got it in. Do my best work at night times. Oh, I don't know how this one's going to do it. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah. Oh fuck. Oops. I think we're going to be wrong here. Let's have a crack. Let's have a crack. Oh Jesus. 3 for 3. Can we go 4? Oh, we didn't even know the size of this machine. We just measured up what we could find. I couldn't tell you measurements, so sorry. What have we got? Small washers, big washers. So this is going to come back out again. By the look at that. And that's got to go in there. We've got a small washer and nut. Can go there. Alright. I don't think they're meant to be too tight. I think you're just enough for vibrations. Get all the big washers on so we don't tighten ourselves out or something, or we can't get the bolt out. Ooh. Money there. Alright. Now we can tighten up the whole lot, put it down. Stage one. Then we can get in and use it. You excited?
Me?
Mm.
Yeah, because you'll be able to finish jobs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No more walking off jobs. Finished job.
Then I don't get the phone calls.
Oh, I don't get a phone call, so
No,
I'm not worried about it.
no. I don't really know if we need this angle of
No, it's hard to get in here.
sweaty step
We'll
ones.
just cut this one out. You can stop filming now.